Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. Getting ready to let another Tesla 3 go with a full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, with a 5-year ceramic coating over this one and full tint on every piece of glass in this car with XPEL XR Plus, the highest rated IR film available today. Coming around here, the blue tee, the owner did that himself. Nice touch. We took it off, placed it over the wrap so there's no lines, because white is especially sensitive with dirt lines. So all this is getting wrapped in. I know we do this a lot, but we have a lot of newbies out there that buy a new car and want to get the wrap and understand that wrapping in these edges, wrapping around that little edge so it doesn't be on top here to have a big dirt line around the headlight bezel. So all that gets wrapped in. Everything's coming in, all in here getting wrapped in. The doors and the fenders wrapped in on the bottoms and tops. The rockers fully wrapped up top all the way around the bottom. The doors wrapping into these moldings. The A-pillars all wrapping in to here, all the way around to the back side. Much like the same on the back door, wrapping in here, wrapping in under that molding, wrapping into the door, and then wrapping in from the quarter, wrapping into the door. It's hard to see that line. You can see it right there. Right here, you see the line. And then coming around our hatch, we have a wing here, so we don't take that off, but we wrap in real tight. We can take it off, but very difficult to get that guy back on there. And here we're coming around this side, more of the same, all wrapped in around that light. All this wrapped in underneath, the full bumper underneath. Just a fantastic install, and the ceramic really makes it slick, gives it some extra shine. The Clearbrook does not need it, but it is a nice add to the product just to give it that extra gloss and extra protection. So clearbrooknorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809 if you need any questions. I'm Brent. I'd be happy to answer any of those questions for you. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. And if you need us, you know how to find us. Thanks.